calling from Expedite. I just received your mail where you wanted to apply for my application Sql Dba role,
Yes.
and you have forwarded me your resume.
Yes.
So, sir, you are an H1B.
Yes.
Yeah, so I'll be needing your employer details, sir. And can you talk to me for 10 minutes?
Sure.
Having 10.6 years of experience, and this is mostly into server side or into application DB also, because the role that I am fetching, like my client, they want somebody, who is an SQL DBA with application DBA with skills like data modeling, SQL queries, SQL tuning, etc.
Yes. SQL tuning I can do. Data modeling, no. This is kind of developer.
Data model. No, this is not a developer. This is a DBA.
Okay. So DBA part I can handle.
It is basically on the production side, or the application side and the operation side. It's ideally a combination of operations DBA skills, which will include your admin work, your table space, your monitoring, bringing services up or down, and other housekeeping type of activities.
Okay.
If the client does not get a combo candidate, then they need someone who is a very strong as an application DBA.
Okay.
Operating platform would be Microsoft SQL.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah. So tell me.
Yeah.
This is the requirement
Yes.
if you want to go ahead with this.
Yes. Application I can
Okay, sir.
handle. I can handle production servers development and test servers and vice versa. Patching, cloning, upgradation, migration, and schema synchronization, and handling day-to-day issues and ticketing system into the production environment.
Okay. So, like, I would like to ask you two, three things, that we have been, told to ask to the consultant before we submit their profile. Like, how would you be tracing or hitting a traffic? And how would you trace the traffic hitting a SQL server?
Yeah, there is a trace files we can manage, and there is a third-party tools is there, and with that
Okay.
depends, and we have to run that profiles, and there is a tools is there, so with that we can find it.
And what type of applications are supported in SQL Server?
Data warehousing, OLTP, and cloud.
Sir, I'm asking about replication.
Replication are always on.
Sir, I'm so sorry, but as far as the answers I have, they are somewhere like transaction and merge and snapshot.
Transaction and merge. Merge is snapshot.
And snapshot.
Okay. For replication.
Hmm. Do you have any idea on this?
For replication?
I'm asking for replication. R-E-P, R as in Rhode Island, E as in elephant, P as in...
Yes, always on I said. Always on is mostly used.
Okay, why would... Okay. Why would you use an SQL agent?
It's a client. Once if a server is there, and if someone wanted to connect to the database, so we need to, and for connecting that all the server for monitoring purpose, we can install the agents on different servers to connect to the servers.
Okay, sir. How do you control the amount of free space in your index pages?
Respace, yes. First of all, we have to check that with the script, how much space is there. So on the GI base, we can check that how much space is required for all the table spaces. So we can check that.
Okay, so what is DBCC?
DBCC? DBCC? No, I don't have idea.
Why would you call update statistics?
Update statistics?
Yeah. Why would you call that?
Yes, we have to check that what is the stats of the server. So at regular intervals, we have to monitor the statistics.
Okay. Okay. What is a correlated subquery, Aether?
Mm,
Hello.
correlated, yes. Correlated,
You can tell me. Okay, leave that question. You can tell me what authentication modes does SQL Server support?
yeah. There is a two authentication methods, that is production and development.
I'm asking about authentication modes, and are you sure?
Yes,
Isn't something like Windows and mixed?
yes, that is at the installation part it will ask mixed mode authentication for
Okay.
application
Huh?
production and development. Okay.
Okay. So, what are the different versions you have worked on for SQL Server?
2008 to 2016.
Okay. And different type of indexes available in SQL Server?
B2 index is the default, and there
Hmm?
are around six indexes: index range, index partition.
Okay. 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 Sir, there are two, three things I suppose